Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and as promised, we're going to take a look at one of the later releases from the Hot Wheels Boulevard series, the Mixed Piece set, and that's what we have laying here in front of you. And we're not going to really rip these open, but we're going to take an in-depth look at them in the package and such. And let's see, we have numbers 66 through 70 here. So we'll start with the lowest number and go through all of them. There's 5 of them, as you can see here. So number 66 is the 2020 Ford Shelby GT500, which actually is a pretty nice looking car from Hot Wheels, and it does have what it looks like to be side mirrors casted in, which is pretty sweet. That's something Hot Wheels is starting to do quite often now on newer castings, and I dig that a lot. Nice work with the headlight tampos, all of the front bumper cover details, all the inlets for the air intakes and stuff like that, the big open mouth grill there, the rally stripes going down on the chin spoiler, wrapping up on the hood with the number 99 in the hood, and then the vented hood there, or louvered hood, however you'd like to call it. The stripes continue across the roof and such, and I think that is an supposed to be like that. I'm not sure if that's an error or it's supposed to be like that. I don't have another one to compare it to, but the rally stripes on the roof are faded, so I'm not sure if that is a tampo error or if it's supposed to be like that. I would say it's supposed to be like that, but I cannot say 100% sure. Then you have the 99 on the door. Nice look with these 10-spoke wheels. Dig those. They suit the car very nicely, and with the same diameter all the way around. I like that. It's more realistic. You have your tail light tampos, the Mustang emblem there in the rear panel, and we'll just do one card back, and that's it. And it shows you all 5 cars in the lineup for Mixed P: the Mustang, the VW Caddy, the Dodge van, the Subaru WRX STI, and then the LBWK ER34 Super Silhouette. So we'll take a detailed look at all of them. So this is a nice one for you Mustang and Shelby fans. So going on to number 67, that is your Volkswagen Caddy, and this is really cool because it has that nice stance to it, the wide body look with these 4 spokes, and it says the Porsche, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce that right now. Rendon said something, maybe they mean like Porsche support vehicle or something like that. So anyways, I'm just guessing on that one. But what's cool, you can see the skateboard is nicely detailed in the bed. It's not just in there and painted the same color as the vehicle. They actually put tampos on there to show the wooden bottom, and they even detailed the axles and wheels on it. So very nicely done and such. On this VW Caddy, nice detailed grille with the VW emblem in it, detailed headlights, detailed Volkswagen across the tailgate with detailed tail lights and such, black base, very nicely detailed on this VW Caddy. Then moving along to number 68, this is a very sweet casting. This has the go-kart inside, but because of the smoked windows, you cannot really see it. The Super Treasure Hunt, you can really see it good, or the mainline releases, you can see the go-kart pretty good. Another thing that's cool about this one, same diameter wheels all the way around, so it has that realistic look. Love the black with the flame paint job, and it just says new fire protection. Very nicely detailed grille and headlight tampos. Cool that they did separate detail with the bumpers, chrome bumpers, front and rear. Nice tail light tampos, and it looks like the rear windows are louvered, kind of. Pretty cool. Black painted base. Very sweet van. This is actually probably one of my favorites from this lineup. I know the next 2 are the majority's favorites. So number 69, this 98 Subaru Impreza 2020 22B STI version. Really looks good in this bright yellow with the gray 5-spokes. Very nice details on the headlights, the bumper cover with your turn signals, the louvered vented hood. All the details are there. Even your drip rails and stuff are very nicely detailed. Another casting where the mirrors are casted in. I didn't even notice the van. I don't think the van has casted in mirrors, and I don't think the Caddy does either. Yeah, just checking that out. But the Subaru does. This is a very nice car from Hot Wheels. Nice detail on the tail lights. You have your Subaru emblems there. This is very well done for a $6 car. I mean, honestly, like, this can compete, I would say, to like your $10 to $20 premiums of like Tarmac and Mini GT and such. Not as nice, of course, but still, yet for $6 you cannot go wrong with this. Very nicely done. Now, this is the fan favorite of this set. This is the one bringing the biggest amount of money. In my opinion, I don't really care for it. I like the original one that they released in the Mountain Drifters lineup, because that's the actual car from Kato Wataru, sorry, and he painted the car up like that. The livery is the same. Even the cage color in that car is yellow, just like the real deal. So that's my favorite variant of it. This one's okay, don't get me wrong. This one may be slightly rarer. I don't know what the production is on either one of them, to be honest with you. But yeah, this is definitely the fan favorite. It has nice livery with the LBWK everywhere, LB Performance, the Nismo, and then the trademark phrase, imagine all the people living life in peace, the Beatles phrase, and then you have your LBWK on the blacked out hood, LBWK on the big front chin spoiler. So very nice car. And then the reason I'm not breaking these open yet is I'm probably selling this set. So if anybody needs this set, it is available for $55 plus shipping. And then I had a double of the ER34, but I sold it already on eBay. I do have a double of this Subaru 22B. I don't know why I keep wanting to say 2020, but the 22B 98 Subaru STI. I have one of those extra that I'll let go for $8 if somebody needs it. Let me know. And then the set, as I said, available to you for $55 and plus shipping. So let me know in the comments if you need it. And then I left a direct link to my eBay store. The set is on there starting at, I think, $49 starting bid. And I think it's like $62 buy it now. But if you message me direct and we do deal outside of eBay, I can give you a better price. Same thing with the Subi. A little bit higher on eBay. But if you deal with me direct, I can give you a better deal. So I appreciate it, guys. Appreciate your support and your watching. I will be back next week with some Auto World stuff. I'm going to be doing some newer releases that I found at Walmart. I've ordered some older stuff to fill up my Mopar dealership. This red one, red 73, I think 73 Challenger, we'll be doing a video on probably next. Then I have some darts coming and some other Challengers coming, and then I have some GM stuff from Auto World coming up. So have a lot of Auto World cars coming up for you guys. And then I will be redoing my diorama for the Mopar dealership, sticking with 65 to 75 Plymouths and Dodges, cars and trucks and vans. Kind of going to do something on a tabletop with my dealership, and then start a parking lot, like a dealer lot with them. And then the old barn, I'm going to be doing a gasser theme with it. So I'm getting back into the hobby slowly but surely. And I will still diversify and show you guys a bunch of different stuff on my channel. Just wanted to update you what I'm doing with my personal collection right now, which is very, very small. I think it's less than 15 cars right at the moment. So still growing slowly but surely. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next week with some Auto World stuff.